So you have a rear wiper blade. You want to know how to change it? I'm going to show you how to do it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. 2014 Lexus RX 350 rear wiper blade. Let's do it. Let's change this blade. I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright guys, so you can see I'm in my car, and so I'm going to show you how to access the wiper. So the wiper is back there, as you can see. Just want you to see that. There's the rear. So how do you turn on the wiper and stop it? So all you have to do is basically to start the car, but don't start the car, just hit the accessory. So you hit the accessory. To get the accessory engaged, you have to hit it twice. And when that starts up the accessories, you can see here, everything's all lit up, everything's rocking and rolling. So what you want to do is you want to start the wiper. So get the wiper going. You can see the wiper, right? So get it going, and it's full. When it's down to its final cycle to the bottom, you just want to stop the car. Now watch. I will stop the car now. And there it is right there. So it is stopped in a position that I want to get it at, and now you can access the wiper and actually change that blade. Let's get to it. I'll show you how to change the blade. Okay, so you see the wiper is stopped, and it's down here where it should be, and now you have full access to the blade. So these are really simple to do. These should kind of just pop off. You just kind of have to snap them, and I'll show you what I'm talking about by snapping them. You just take it like this here, and you just like that. You hear that click? Listen again. Okay, and once you hear that click, you push it in, and then pull it out. And you can see here how it comes out. Don't let it hit the window. Just put it down because you don't want it to smash your window. So that's how that comes out. So let me get that. Okay, so I have the old one here. And these are really easy to do. They just pop right in, pop right out. So let me get the new one and pop the new one in, and that's all you have to do. Let's go, let's put the new one in. Okay, so now I have the old one off, as you saw. I'm gonna put the new one on. So basically you just reverse that. So all you have to do is just lift up this piece here. I'm gonna do this with one hand and hold the camera so you can see. You get the new one, you just slide it in to the spot here. You slide it right in, and you snap it back up. And that's all you have to do. It basically just slides and snaps, just like you see here. And that's it. That's how you replace the rear wiper on your 2000 and I think 11 up or whatever they have. I mean, all these rear wipers are very much similar. Just be aware that the wiper in the back is a little different than the front wipers. The chassis here where it sits in is a little wider. So just so you know. So again, to get it out, you snap it up, you pull it out. To put it in, you snap it in and put it down. That's all you have to do. Just be careful when you pull this out. This doesn't smash against the window. It won't really damage it. It's not enough really tension and force from the distance, but still you don't want to even chip it. You just want to be careful of that. And that's it. And that is how you change a wiper in your Lexus, in your rear window. Probably maybe most cars are like this, I don't know, but this is a 2014 Lexus RX 350, and that's how you change the rear wiper in your car. Put the accessory back on, put the power back on. This will sit back up into the spoiler, and then it sets back in and you're all set. All right guys, that's it. Make a quick video on how to just change the wiper blade. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As always, I do appreciate you tuning in, and I'll see you at the next review.